Hey guys, how you doing? In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the brake light on your Ford F-150, and this is confirmed for a 04 through 08 fix. So what you gotta do is the panel under the steering column, just pull on that on this side as well, and there's gonna be one screw here, 8mm, and one right there. Let's see, let's zoom in right there. Take them out, and then on the dashboard, just pull it up, pry it up, pull it up a little. It'll pop up right there. Inside as well. Just pull on that. Get this out of the way. And you see that wire that connects to the speedometer? If you wiggle that, the brake light goes off. See? And in order to keep it off, what I do is I just took a piece of cardboard, fold it in half, and stick it in there. In between the cluster and the wire harness. Make it as a wedge, and there you go, no more brake lights.